This is actually something that we all wanted to talk to you guys about real quick, because I don't think people understand how the digital SATs work. You're not going to get the same questions as each other anyways. So if you're like, what did you put for the question with this, similar right triangles? They're not going to have the same answers as you, because they changed the numbers for everybody, and you don't get all the same passages, right, guys? I mean, like we were just talking about that before. Do you have any comments on that besides the fact that there's so many unique questions out there? It's like impossible to like have the same question as someone else.
Yeah, we're both international. So as we said, I'm in Mexico and she's in Europe. And she mentioned that she didn't see any like scientific questions in module 2 of English, but I did see some scientific questions. So it just shows that even though you're international or whatever, not all tests are going to be the same.
Exactly. The thing is though, the themes and the strategies and the concepts are all similar. So even if you don't have the same exact questions as everybody else, the procedures and approaches to solve them is the same. So that's why we still make the videos and talk about the tests and stuff, because the way that we go about it and the tools that we use can definitely help you regardless of what type of question you get. All right, so the next question I have for you guys basically is, sometimes tests are lopsided, right? Like some months the math is super hard and then the English is easy, and then other months it's the opposite. Some months they're kind of like both pretty even and fair. So I guess I just wanted to get your take on that. So Kristen, in your opinion, do you think the English was tougher on this test or the math, or do you want to like plead the fifth?
I would actually say the English was tougher, because even as an English expert, I was running out of time on module 2. But in math, I felt like it was pretty easy, and especially like I know module 1 is easier anyway, but I was surprised at how many I was able to answer, considering math is not my specialty.
Honestly, I cannot wait to see your math score.
I'm so curious, because I really was like crushing this. Like I'm doing so well. I got to module 2 and it was a little bit different, but like I was like, oh, I did get the harder second module for sure. There were some questions where I was like, I don't even know where to begin. So
let me have a session with you. I'll do a Desmos lesson with you. I'll make you a beast. We're good. We're good.
Sounds great.
Maria, do you agree with Kristen? Do you think
Yeah.
Okay, tell me more.
As I said about the friends that I talked to after the test, they did think, and I thought too, that the English section was harder. I did answer all questions in English module 2, but in the same way as Kristen, I did see myself kind of like, I don't know, watching the clock and being like, wait, I gotta finish this. So it was not as easy as Blue Book, or yeah.
Okay.